All right, guys, just finished my dive here on the Menominee River. Pretty good dive. Today, I'm here at the Menominee River. Got Mike over here. Lost a couple of lures out here. Wants me to go find them before we start out here. He's been to my shop a few times, so I want to help him out.
The fish will bite, but they're not so much anymore.
All right.
Gotta watch out for those boats.
I said I'll get your tackle back for you. Alright, I think you have a couple out of there. On a bunch. That one's yours? I've never heard that before. Those D-rods. Alright guys, we got Josh Johnson with this big old beast here. How big do you think that is?
28.
Yeah, that is a nice fish.
Yep.
Wow. Are they still biting pretty good out here?
Oh, not bad.
Not bad?
There, yep. Maybe it's a little slow, but they're biting.
Alright. Well, thanks for showing me today.
Yep, thank you.
Got a lot of people losing lures in over here on the edge. Actually, this whole area, everybody losing lures. Let's go find some. I've got 23 in my hands. Oh boy. Edward lured hands. Getting there. Alright. There we go. That one actually broke off in there. Come on, man. There we go. 23. Jeez. There we go. That was a good grab. It kind of sucked after pull all those off my hands, but these Kevlar gloves aren't made for this, that's for sure. One for the homies, baby. I found about 50 ribbon wraps, but 30 blade bait so far. I just can't imagine what you lost over there. That was just a small area I just did here. Just think about how many other areas are like that. I'm okay. Yeah. Yeah, that current kind of picks up right here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, come on. You suck. There's a lot of lures, guys. I barely just covered probably about 40 feet, like a 40 by 40 spot. And I'm almost filling that whole bin up already. But I got a couple cans and bottles in there, so it's a lot of lures.
Pretty good dive.
Got the breakdown of my haul from today from the Menominee River over by Stevenson Island. Guys, I know that some prices are lower, some are higher. I just took Fleet Farm and Cabela's for an example to get these prices. I added 5.5% tax. Let's see what we got. Had a couple customs here for ripping wrap size 7. I added all of these up here, and I'm missing 8 ripping wraps already sold, and I sold a couple other 8-shade 10 and a 12. But this is all from one dive, 45 minutes here. And I came up with a total of $1,319.16. That's not counting the $73.08 of lures that I sold for like 56 bucks. If you add those both together for total costs that people paid for all these lures, it would be $1,392.24. That's a lot of money that people threw in the river that I found in 45 minutes. Just crazy.